Welcome to your very first step into the beautiful and fascinating world of the Thai language. If you're looking to learn Thai, you've clicked on the right video. Stick with me because, by the end of this, you'll not only learn what makes Thai so unique, but also feel inspired to dive in. Let's get started. First things first, what's so special about Thai? Thai is a tonal language. What does that mean? Well, the pitch or tone used when saying a word can completely change its meaning. There are 5 tones in Thai: mid, low, high, rising, and falling. For example, the word ma can mean come, horse, or even dog, depending on the tone. Crazy, right? But don't worry, learning tones is like riding a bike. It's tricky at first, but soon you'll be cruising. Unlike many European languages, Thai has no verb conjugations or noun declensions. That means no fiddling with endings based on tense or plurality. Instead, Thai uses auxiliary words to indicate time, such as yesterday, tomorrow, or already. Thai follows the same SVO, subject-verb-object, word order as English. For instance,
ผมกินข้าว
translates to I eat rice. However, adjectives and modifiers come after the noun they describe. So, instead of saying delicious rice in Thai, you'd say
ข้าวอร่อย
which literally translates to rice delicious. This word order applies to all modifiers, making sentences logical and easy to follow once you get the hang of it. For example,
บ้านใหญ่
means big house where
บ้าน
is house and
ใหญ่
is big. It's like stacking details step by step, clear, structured, and uniquely Thai. Here's some great news for learners. Thai doesn't use articles like or, the doesn't have grammatical gender, and doesn't deal with cases like many European languages. Phew. On the flip side, Thai has dozens of personal pronouns. Why? Because they reflect the relationship between the speakers. Your age, gender, and the level of formality all influence which pronoun to use. It's a window into the deeply respectful and social nature of Thai culture. And trust me, mastering this will make your conversations so much smoother. Thai also has multiple levels of language. There's one for everyday use, one for politeness, and even a special one when referring to the king. This layered system may seem challenging, but it's a beautiful reflection of Thai society's values of respect and harmony. Thai script is as fascinating as the language itself. It has 44 consonants and 32 vowels, and it's written in an abugida style, where each character represents a syllable. While it might seem daunting at first, learning it is like unlocking a beautiful secret code. Trust me, it's worth it. Now, let's talk about what makes Thai truly unique beyond its writing system, its rich morphology and borrowed vocabulary. Thai has evolved over centuries, adopting elements from Pali, Sanskrit, and Khmer. These influences can be seen in more formal or specialized words, creating a diverse and expressive lexicon. Interestingly, even though Thai is an analytic language, meaning it relies on word order and helper words rather than inflection, you'll find some prefixes and infixes in borrowed words, giving them an added layer of depth. This blend of simplicity in structure and complexity in vocabulary makes Thai both logical and dynamic to learn. Finally, one of the most rewarding parts of learning Thai is connecting with its speakers. Thai people are known for their warmth and hospitality. Whether you're exploring the lively streets of Bangkok, the serene mountains of Chiang Mai, or the stunning beaches of Phuket, speaking even a little Thai can help you form genuine connections and enhance your experiences in ways that go beyond words. Thai might feel a bit different at first, but with practice, it's completely doable and incredibly satisfying. If you're ready to continue learning, check out my other videos on the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more tips and lessons. Khop kun ka. Thank you. And as we say in Thai,
ลาก่อนนะ